Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
the USA!
That's right, this is a box from Exotic Noods. You can go over to exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. These are subscription boxes with stuff from all over the world. So let's check it out. So first off, when you get one of these boxes, you're going to see this Feature of the Month pamphlet, which has information about everything that you'll find in the box, as well as a little newsletter. Pretty cool. So I'm going to go through everything in this box and tell you a little about it. First off, from Nongshim, America, we have Chappa Getty. This is a jajang noodle. Basically, it's a black bean sauce noodle. It's dry. It's not spicy. They do, I think, yeah, they make a jawang spicy variety. But yeah, this is a really popular one. It's nice and meaty and hearty. Good for the winter months. And then here from Miyojo, we have their chukazanmai soy sauce flavor. This is an upgrade to the regular instant noodle. These are non-fried, nice and classy, tasty stuff. Great with egg, chashu, things like that. Next up, this one is J Market, but this is JFC or it's a big distributor does these, but this is curry udon, and I'm going to tell you right now, this is the bomb. If you like Japanese curry, you're going to love this. So nice putting this one in there, man. An absolute favorite. Top 10 lister of mine. This is Red Chef with their Sakura prawn. This, if you like prawn, you ain't seen nothing yet. This stuff is sweet, spicy. It's got so much prawn flavor in it, you'll do a backflip. This is the bomb, and I'm going to be making a loaf of bread tomorrow using this stuff. I've got another big pack of them coming, but yeah, cool. And next up, a Minraku variety. This is their spicy sesame ramen. I don't know if I've had this one. Obviously, it's got a broth from looking at the picture. Yeah, I'm sure it's not bad. I really don't remember if I've had this or not, so we'll have to see. And from Thailand, we have Mama and their bean thread clear soup. I really still don't understand the whole concept of the clear soup, because honestly, it's not completely clear. You can see through it, but generally it's pretty good. A little salty, a little bit of herbs and spices and stuff going on. Yeah, it should be good. Here's one people really seem to like. This is the Korean barbecue Nissen cup noodle stir fry, and this is a domestic one. This is here in the US. Yeah, you add the stuff to it, cook it up, and it's a dry noodle, and it's got a lot of veggies. It's good. It's really quite good. I'm impressed with this whole range that they've come out with recently. And Nissen USA is really stepping up their game. And speaking of stepping up their game, here we are again with another Nissen variety. This one's made in Japan, but it's for the US market because it doesn't have pork in it. You can't export pork out of Asia, but this is Nissen Raw Miso Ramen, and this is good stuff, folks. If you want a super premium variety, this is about as good as you're going to get from Nissen. Well, I shouldn't say that, but this is a really good one for the US. Rich flavor, excellent noodle. Yeah. So in the September 2021 Exotic Noods box, you get spicy sesame, a Malaysian prawn wonderland, premium shoyu, a stir-fry cup, curry udon, Chappa Getty, miso ramen, and your informational pamphlet. And bean thread clear soup from Thailand. Oops. Alright, thanks to the folks over at Exotic Noods for shooting this over. If you want to get a box like this, head on over to exoticnoods.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a snazzy discount. All right, well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.